So this is a video of the T1 Ethernet interface between the PX4 NXP control unit and the MCraft IMX8 mini board. Here you can see the MCraft board. Here's the PX4 control unit. This is the T1 interface. The T1 interface is powered from the MCraft board. You can see the power cable plugging to the MCraft board here, and terminating the T1 interface, the Ethernet interface here. Then the two-wire Ethernet port is connected from the T1 to the PX4, and the Ethernet cable from the MCraft IMX8M to the T1. So when the PX4 powers up, it powers up with IP address 10.0.0.2 with a netmask of 24. I've assigned the IP address to the MCraft Ethernet port 10.0.0.1 with the same netmask. And so we'll run over. Please excuse my mad scientist workbench here, right in the middle of doing a bunch of stuff. I'm going to run over here too. This is the MCraft running Weston. This is a customized kernel. It's version 5.4.70. And this is a development machine. So this is the MCraft system. This is the PX4. You can see the nutshell. And so if I type in ping on the PX4 10.0.0.1, this is the PX4 pinging the MCraft IMX8M mini. And this is the MCraft system. You can see the custom kernel here. Oops. I could spell. This kernel is currently undergoing some work to add support for the QCA 9377 wireless. It's up on my GitHub. When it's ready, I'll put a compiled version with the SD card and the Weston interface running up once wireless is up and working. You're welcome to take down the source and compile it, or use my SD card image. And just one more shot of the T1 on the Hovergames drone. Again, this is the PX4, the T1, and the MCraft IMX8M mini control computer.